Hey guys, so welcome to our last empty house tour at our new construction home. So as you guys know, we have moved from the Wise Texas home and you guys asked for an empty house tour. So the house is finally empty and I'm going to bring you guys inside to see how our house was before we moved and everything and all that good stuff. So come on inside. All right, so as you guys can see, this is our entryway. So you walk in and you walk straight into our living room. So it is pretty much empty. And like we mentioned in our video about our home buying process, pretty much everything in our house has the upgrades from what the builder offered. So we didn't go custom, we went with a builder. So like we told you guys, between custom and builders, they have floor plans. With builders, you have to pick a floor plan. So we went with the largest floor plan that they had in this area and we pretty much got all the upgrades. So the recessed lights up there, those are upgrades. And then this fan, that was standard as well. So I'm gonna miss this living room. The lighting was just perfect in here and it was nice, but now it's time to go. And then if you come over here, this was our closet. So we had like our suitcases and stuff. It was very spacious in here. So you just go and hang up your coats and all of that. But yeah, it was like very spacious in here. And I'm going to miss that. And then over here, we had our half bath. So this was our half bath in here, which was really nice. I like the oval mirror here. And then the sink. And you have the toilet over there. So it's a nice size half bath. Then over here is the laundry room. So it was a full-on bar shelf here, but because we had stackable washer and dryer, big guy had to cut that off because obviously they would not have been able to stack up in there. So, and we were planning to do like shelves and all of that, but now we don't have to because we out of here, baby. So we have the garage over here. Hey, Bubby. And we had our TV up here, the Xbox so the kids can play, because like half one side was kids play area and then the other side was the big guys workout stuff and all of that. And then we have boxes and everything. And then he built those shelves to put extra bins and everything up there. So we're gonna leave those up there for them. All right. So yes, this is our living room. Oh, I just love the open plan and the lights. Oh, you see all that lighting. It's just perfect. All right, so over here is our kitchen. And I just love our island. So the pendant lights, they were upgrade as well. The countertops were upgrades as well. So this was granite. Yeah, it was standard 2 granite. I think that's what it was called. But we just love how it has the gray and black and white details. And then our sink, we literally just put this in. Like the big guy installed it and everything. And now the new owners will have it, but it's okay because we have a nice one where we are now. And then the sink, I mean, the soap there, I love that. And then we have the cabinets, and it's crazy how everything just happens for reasons. So we were literally about to paint our cabinets white because I know I've talked about it over and over, but I've always wanted light cabinets. I've always wanted white. I've even talked about gray, and we were going to do it, but then we decided to sell our house, and our house sold very quickly, so we didn't have time to do it. So we had to return everything, but I just love our cabinets. So we had the trim up here, thanks to crown molding. And I just loved our kitchen, which is nice and spacious. And then we have our pantry. Pantry, it was nice having a pantry and having all our stuff in here. So that is really nice. Okay, so this is our room, or was our room. So we got the tray ceilings, the bay windows. Our room was nice. Only thing we did not like was having it on the first floor. And that seems to be the norm now with a lot of new home, well, with a lot of builders and stuff, having the suite on the first floor. And it's because, you know, it makes the room bigger because you have a whole suite on the first floor. But we just, you know, with small kids, it just sucks being away from them. So we loved our room and the setup. And here's our bathroom. We bought that shower head. We love that. We actually had to change it because the other one stopped working, so we had to change that. But this was our shower and it was huge. We loved it. The details, the window, just nice. Then we have our double sink. So that was my sink, big ass sink, toilet. And then had our closet. So y'all know the big guy put this closet together. And I'm gonna miss it so much. It's so huge. Oh gosh, so huge. So this was the big guy's area, his little corner. And then he had his setup right there. And then all of this was mine. So yeah, that was all mine. All right, so before we go upstairs, let me know if you guys are enjoying this empty house tour. I know I look a mess, but like I said, we have been cleaning and we have been just moving for the past couple of weeks. So I'm tired. I'm tired. I need to get my eyebrows done, all of that. But we out here pretty much. So let me know down below if you guys are liking the house tour so far and if you're gonna miss this house as well. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, so here we are upstairs, and I'm gonna miss looking over and seeing downstairs. And her handrails, like we said, those were upgrades as well. So you can see you have the handrail. Oh, I just loved our handrail so much, oh my goodness. So you come down the hall, and this was my office. This was actually a loft at first, but we upgraded it to a 4th bedroom just because, you know, you guys know I work from home, so I needed extra room for my space and everything. So here we are with my closet. So this is where I kept all my equipment and everything. So that was that. And then, yeah, it was so nice in here. Nice and perfect for me. And then you come out here, and this was Tristan's room. So I loved his room, but we ended up turning it into a playroom and a schoolroom when the kids had to be at home for virtual learning. So, and Tristan's closet is huge, y'all. Like, he had a really big closet, so he was able to hang all his clothes up here and stuff. So his closet is really big, and his room was very spacious as well. And then you come out, and then this was their bathroom. So these are all the flowers from staging, and this was their bathroom. So they had the same towel as us and everything. And I'm gonna miss them having a tub because they love bath time. So yeah, this is their own mirror. I love the mirror and all of that. And then we had a closet. So it was like a nice pantry size closet here. And last but not least, this was Maddie's room. So she had a nice size room as well. She actually had the biggest room upstairs, but her closet is not as big as Tristan's. So we did want to get like the custom style for her, but we just never got a chance to get to it. So that was her closet. And this is her room. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the Wise Texas home part 1, because we will be building again in the future. But I just want to show you guys that, and I'm going to miss our home. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. Let me know what you guys think, and give it a big thumbs up and cheers. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.